I'm William LeDent. I'll be doing Toby Belch from Twelfth Night. Gentlemen, God save thee. That defence thou hast, betake thee to it. Of what nature the wrongs are thou hast done him, I know not. But thy interceptor, full of despite, bloody as the hunter, attends thee at the orchard end. Dismount thy talk, be are in thy preparation, for thy assailant is quick, skillful, and deadly. Therefore, if you hold your life at any price, betake you to your guard, for thy opposite hath in him what youth, strength, skill, and wrath can furnish man withal. He is knight, dubbed with unscathed rapier and on carpet consideration. But he is a devil in private brawl. Souls and bodies hath he divorced 3, and his incensement at this moment is so implacable that satisfaction can be none but by death and sepulchre. Hobnob is his word, gift or taked. Therefore, get you on, and give him his desire. Back you shall not to the house, unless you undertake that with me, with which, by as much safety, you might answer him. Therefore, on! Or strip your sword stark naked, for metal you must, that's certain. Or forswear to wear iron about you.